Hello. I'm thinking of making a temperature and humidity logger for my sailboat to have in it in the winter when it's on land, to measure the humidity level and temperature and such. So I made a little prototype here. I have a SD card there. It's a micro SD card with an adapter. There is the micro SD card. It's 4 gig. And I put a couple of sensors on it that I had lying around. There is a LM75 temperature sensor, and there is a light to frequency sensor, and just a infrared motion detection center PIR sensor. And I use a LiPo battery to power it, and I also monitor the volt of the battery. There is a voltage divider, and I have a little summer on, so when the voltage of the battery drops too much, it beeps, because it's not good to run down LiPos. And I don't have a, when I build a logger for the boat, I will have a real-time clock and humidity sensor and stuff, but now I just made a little, mostly to try how SD card works, and it works really great. It's a FAT32. And here is a serial port to debug it and also to program the Arduino. This is how the code looks like. It's just fast, written it very fast, so it's not nice or not documented or anything. And here is the SDFAT library I use. Here is the address for it. It's really good. You can read and write file to SD cards, FAT16 and FAT32. It's very simple to use and very nice. I have copied the file from the SD card to the desktop. It's I made it a CSV file, and this is how it looks like. It's semicolon separated. T, that means time, and it's the seconds from the Arduino where it started. Temp, temperature. These data are temperature. Use, that's light. Here are the lights values from the light sensor. PIR, it's if it detects motion. 0 means no, 1 means yes. And here is the volt of the LiPo battery. Here it starts at 11.34 and it goes down here. You see it, I had it record for a couple of hours. A nice way to display the data is to use a program called gnuplot. It's an open source program. You can view a lot of different diagrams and stuff. I'm gonna start gnuplot here. First I have to set data file operator. I use semicolon in my file, and then we can plot the diagrams of the log file. First one means the x, that's time, that's the second, and the second is the second field. And here it is the temperature. You see it have moved, the temperature haven't changed very much, so it's not very, I can do with lines. It just changed between 26 and 24, so it's not very interesting. Let's plot the light data. It's more interesting. Here we see the light values. Higher means dark, and here it was the night, and here it's the morning, and it become lighter and lighter and lighter, and here is daytime. Now you can also view a little part only. Do it like this. X range. Let's take this spot here. Till, let's take it to here. Oh, here you just see that part. We can use it, look at this part here only. It's lighter and darker, and let's scale, set back to auto scale then. And let's view the battery voltage. It has gone down. A straight line down. Yeah, that's a very nice way to record and display data.